Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial about the multi-search tool, the free tool from Keystroke, I want to show you how to set up another field. In this example, I'm going to do the email field. So I'm going to come up and go Lookup, go down to multi-search, and I'm going to come over to where it says Manage. Now keep in mind we just built the company one, but I'm going to click on Manage, and this time I'm going to click on Add New. I'm going to type in email. Type is again contact. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on the letter E on my keyboard. It will jump down to the first item that begins with E. That's not an act trick. That's just a general computing trick. I'm going to add email over to this side. But in this case, I'm going to set it so it's the default set. And I'm going to click OK. Now if I want to type an email address in here, I could. I'm just going to type in the word Tony. And I'm going to click OK, and it's going to search all the emails for the name of Tony in the email. Now on this screen, I don't have that popping up, but if you look at the email right here, you'll see that popped up. Okay, there are the email addresses, and they all begin with Tony. So that's a quick way you can search for emails that either start with something, in this case, or the exact email match. So that's the multi-search tool, and it's really a great tool, and I highly recommend you take a look at it. To go back to it one more time, I'm going to go Lookup, I'm going to go multi-search, and you'll see by default it put an email because I set that as the default lookup. Great tool, highly recommend it. Now that you know it's out there, I think you're going to find ways to use it. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Bye now.